So today we'll be doing modular arithmetic. So let me share the screen. Yeah. So before, see, a lot of questions are there. We have to find the remainder and everything. Okay. Or what is the last digit or the remainder? Simple thing I'll tell you is, for example, if it is 122 power 35, what is the last digit and the remainder? Correct? So there's a shortcut for this. The step number one is power cycle. So power cycle meaning if I take 2, the last digit here is 2, right? Multiply by the same
Yes, sir.
number.
Yes.
Yeah. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 6 2s are 12. I'm not taking 16, but I'm only taking what? 6. So 2 2s are 4, multiply by the same number, 2 2s are 4. Correct? Then 4 2s are 8, 8 also I wrote, 8 2s are 16. Correct? But again, I'm not writing 1 because the idea is to find the last digit. So what is the power cycle of 2? I'll write down here. Power cycle of 2. 2, 4, 8, 6. Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. So once it is clear, this 2, 4, 8, 6, just chumma put 1, 2, then 3 and 4. These numbers, 1 in place of 2. In the sense, I'll tell you what is the importance of this 1, 2, 3, 4. Because my idea is to find what the last digit of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Second step.
Yeah.
Step number 2 is power cycle is this. Step number 2 is 4k plus dash. This dash is nothing but my remainder. Okay. 4k plus dash is equal to the power or degree. For any cycle, okay, this, for any number ending with 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is, this is the same. 4k plus dash is equal to power or degree. This dash is nothing but remainder. This dash is nothing but remainder. In the sense, this 35 is there, now I divide by 4. 4 into, in the sense, I'll write down here, 4k plus dash is equal to the degree, 35 I write. Just divide 35 by 4. So 4 8s are 32, correct? 32 plus 3 is equal
3.
to 35, yes. So what is my remainder?
So
3.
remainder is 8. Oh, sorry, 3.
Remainder is
Correct.
3, correct.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So 3 meaning what is our answer? 8. 8 is the
8.
last digit. Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
8 is the last digit. Okay. Clear up to this?
Clear.
Very good. Now if I take one more example, I'll take 3 power 75. I'll write down here. Yes. 3 power 75. What is the last digit? So first step is what? Power cycle. Power cycle of 3. Okay. So 3 3s are
9.
1 second. Just 1 minute. Power cycle of 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9.
9.
9 3s are 27.
27.
Yeah, but I'm not going to write 2. Then 7 3s are 21. Correct? 1 3s are 3.
Correct.
So it will be 3 9. 7 will be the power cycle of 3. Again put what? 1 2 3 4. What is this thing? Remainder. The remainder thing. I'll tell you what. What is step number 2? 4k plus dash equal to degree or power. Is equal to degree or power. Okay, 4k
Right.
plus dash is equal to, yeah. So 4k plus dash is equal to, what is my degree here? 75. So it doesn't matter if it is 3 power 75 or 2 power 75 or what the number power 75. End of the day, we have to do with 4k only. We will not do with 3k. Okay, 4k plus
Okay.
dash is equal to 75, correct. So
Fine.
just divide 75 by 4. What is the remainder I'm getting?
3.
Superb. 3. So what is the answer? 7.
7.
That's it.
Fine.
So what is the last digit? 7. Last digit is 7.
Okay.
In the same question, now coming to our Chinese remainder theorem or whatever it is, find the remainder if they're asking. Find the remainder if they're asking. Okay.
Okay.
Same question. Find the remainder when. Okay. When 3 power 75 is divided by 10. This is the question. So first thing is we have to find what the power cycle. Last digit already we found out what 7. Correct? So 7 divided by 10 remainder. What is it? 7 only.
7 only.
That's it. 8 divided by 10. 8 only. That's it.
8.
If the numerator value is less than the denominator, then answer will be always
Then the numerator is the remainder.
Exactly. That's it.
Fine.
Up to this, is it clear? Very easy, right? Correct?
Easy. Yes.
So this is only the chapter mostly. But since it is engineering level, we'll have a little bit higher level. And one more thing, since you're a computer science student, you should understand that modulus, correct? C programming, Python, whatever it is there. If something is given modulus, what does it give? Mod.
Remainder.
This
Modulus
percentage
gives a remainder, no?
excellent. Modulus gives a remainder. Excellent. That's the only thing we have to know. Modulus meaning remainder. Perfect.
Okay.
So we are good to go with the chapter. Okay. Yeah. So
fine.
Let's clear everything. These are very easy questions. These kind of questions. Find the remainder in the following cases, but the textbook examples will be a little bit different from what I have taught, but the basics are same. If we don't
Okay.
write like this, then we will not get the marks. In the sense, find the remainder in the following cases. 2 power 50 divided by 7. Okay, see, we already know the shortcut and everything, right? Correct? Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, correct. So 2 power 5. 50 you leave it, 2 power 5. Correct. So 2 power 5 is basically what, 32.
Correct.
32 by 7. What is the
This
remainder?
one. 4.
That's only this. 4 mod 7.
Okay.
Clear up to this step?
Clear.
Very good. Now 2 power 5 whole square. Okay, why I am doing this, I'll tell you. 5 into 2, and you're 10, right? Correct. So this 4 square will become what? 16.
16.
16 mod 7. What is the remainder? 2.
2. Fine.
You got the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if it is 50, 50, 2 power 10 is what? 2 power 10 whole power 5 is 50, correct?
Correct.
So did you understand this step? 2 power 5
Yes,
mod
sir.
7? Yeah.
Yes. You're just putting 5 power next to 2 mod 7.
Correct. That's all. Simple thing only. So this is a required reminder. So very easy for us to get the full mark. So this chapter is very easy, and not only for this particular first semester or second semester first year, when you're writing your CAT exam, okay, or any aptitude test, that time also this will help you out.
Okay.
For aptitude test also this will help you out. So it is a long run process here. Yeah.
Fine.
Next question, 2 power 23 divided by 47. Okay. So again, we have to be very thorough with up to 2 power 10. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 10 is 1024.
Correct.
Okay. So 2
Okay.
power 9 is 512. Just like the GB, the phone memory card is there, no, that only. So 2 power 8
Fine.
is 256. Okay. So here, why we are requiring this is 2 power 23 divided by 47. Okay. So if I'm putting 2 power 8, it is basically 256. 2 power 9 is 512. So 2 power 8 is 256.
256.
Correct. So that is basically if I'm dividing by 47. So if you have the calculator, okay.
Okay.
Yes. So take your calculator and let me also take the calculator. Scientific. I don't have scientific, I'll have the basic one. So 256 divided by 47. You'll be getting some decimal.
256 divided by 47 is a decimal. Okay.
Correct. 5.4 for something you'll be getting, right? If
Yeah,
you are just
5.44.
ah,
5.4468.
correct. So 47. So 47 into 5, how much you're getting?
47 into 5 is 235.
Correct. So 235 plus 21, 256.
256.
That's it. So that's all.
Oh, okay.
You got the
Okay.
point.
Got it.
We already did this thing in the lower class also, in class 10, Euclid's geometry.
No, sir. I
I
ICSE
think
I
it's
don't have.
deleted, I think so that for you.
Yeah.
Deleted it might be. Yeah,
Yes,
now
sir.
I think it's deleted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is.
Correct. So that is there in Euclid's geometry basically. I think you
Okay.
only had prove that irrational rational or something like that. I think 10th, I think so.
Yeah, that's all.
First
Yeah.
chapter. First chapter, yeah. I think
Yes.
before
Correct.
that we
Correct.
had
Correct.
something, correct. That is deleted in the CBS. Yeah. So that is basically this. Clear? Huh? So now you
Yes, sir.
understand how you got 21. Same
Hmm.
method. But end of the day, we had to get about 2 power 23. Correct? So 2
Fine.
power 8, the whole
Correct.
square. So 21 square, 441. Correct?
Hmm.
441 again you
Correct.
divide by what? 47.
47.
Correct. So again take the calculator and 440
47 into 18.
exactly. So now you got the
Okay.
point. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
441. So that's the thing. So once you are getting it, you will be getting 18 mode 47. The calculator.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then 2 power 16 is there. How much is pending now? 2 power 7 is pending. 16 plus 7 is 23, right? So 2 power 7 is
Yeah.
128. 128
Yeah.
again you divide by 47. You'll get the remainder 34.
Correct. Yeah.
Then you multiply both the things.
Fine.
18 into 34 is
34.
what? You get 60, 612. Now you
Ha.
do what? 612 mod 47.
Divide.
Exactly.
Divide once. Then find out. Then
Yes.
multiply 47 with quotient and then subtract quotient from 612.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you're getting almost the correct thing.
Yes, sir.
47. So it's almost the required remainder is 1 mod 7. Okay. So if I do that thing. Next one, 4 power 8 divided by 23. Okay, 4 power 8 divided by 23. So again, the power cycle of 4 also if I want, I can take it and check, but still. Okay, so 4 power 8. 4 power 4 is how much? 256. 256 more 23. So 256. You should also do it in calculator simultaneously. By 23, you are getting
Yes, sir.
11. Correct?
Correct.
Then what will you do? 11 into 23. What is the remainder?
11 into 20.
253. You have to
253.
do it to, yeah,
Yes, sir.
11 into 23.
Okay.
253 getting there. So what is the remainder? 3. Up to this, okay.
3. Yeah.
Then whole square.
So 9.
That's it. Done.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Got it right.
Hmm.
So this is the kind of question that will come mostly. Now we are
Fine.
that scare is gone, right? After seeing this
Yeah.
thing. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is the
Yes,
easiest
sir.
chapter in everything. This is the
Okay.
easiest one. Okay.
Okay.
This is the easiest one. No doubt up to this?
No doubt, sir.
Very good. Next one, find the last digit of the following numbers.
Last digit of the following numbers. 1 second, sir.
Correct.
I'll open.
No, this, 3 power 15. Same method only you have to follow. For put
Okay.
up to 3 power 4, then you'll just do what? Whole cube. So 3 power 4 is what basically?
81.
Correct. Okay. And what is this thing given? See, for example,
80.
there is a property here. The next thing is the property. Read the property down.
If n is any number such that n
Congruent.
congruent to x mod 10, then x is the last unit digit
Correct.
in the number n.
So we have to just divide by 10 only. So if I divide 81 by 10, what is the remainder? 10 8 is
81 by 10 is 1.
Yes, that's it.
1.
Correct. 21
Okay.
only. Correct. But
Yes,
now
sir.
what is it? 3 cube is there. 3 cube, what is it?
27.
27. Correct.
Correct. Correct.
So 27, if I divide by 10, how much I'll get the remainder? 7 only.
7.
That's it.
Okay.
Then 3 power 12 into 3 cube is 7 more 10. So answer is 7. That's all.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
So this is one more thing of. Let's see. So I'll be sharing this PDF now. I want you to do this thing. And then I want you to try the next part also, linear congruences. Then if there is doubt, I'll come and I'll help you out with it. Okay.
Fine.
But the basic thing is the first thing what I explained. The basic thing, power cycle method, correct? So those things are not there in the book.
Okay.
Okay, that is not there in any of these books. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But that is important. That is a fundamental part because we have to understand what we are doing. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Then once you're done with it, then you have to do these things.
Fine.
Fine, Adi. Yeah. So then I'll share this.
Sir, can you?
Yeah.
Okay, share the PDF. Can you share the recording also?
2 minutes you
For
give me, I'll
reference.
share that also. I'll now stop it and I'll record it. I'll do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.